If you Walmart, you know they're the place to go for everything you need for Easter, from baskets to candy and even home decor. And I want to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Today, I'm sharing some Easter hacks that are quick and easy to do. From decorating your home to creating simple Easter treats, I got you covered in today's video. If you love putting out Easter candy every year, I have a fun hack you can try. I love picking up these $10 containers at Walmart. They're a perfect size and they're really affordable. You also need an affordable tumbler. This is a new set out at Walmart, so I'm gonna get one of the larger ones. I also grabbed some robin's eggs and peeps. I want to put everything together now, so I'm going to take the tumbler we bought and put it into my glass container. The hack here is it's just going to help fill up the space so you don't have to buy as much candy. Next, I'm going to place all of my robin's eggs around the bottom edge. Now, when you do this, hold onto your cup. So I put in 3 bags of the robin's eggs. Now I'm going to add some yellow peeps around the edges. These are really affordable and they look adorable in your container. To fill in the top, I'm gonna add a little bit more robin's eggs. If you guys want to replicate this look for Easter, remember I bought the medium-sized jar at Walmart. You're gonna need 4 bags of robin's eggs and 2 bags of peeps. So many different color options and patterns for the Easter eggs, and you really cannot beat these prices. I'm gonna get these 48 for $1.98. If you're looking for an easy Easter hack to keep everything even, what you're gonna do is get one of these big pack of eggs, give each of your kids a color of eggs, and that's the ones that they look for. These flocked bunnies, I have seen these online. I was so excited, hoping to find them. They're so cute. Now, the smaller ones are $9.98. You can also get them in a larger size for $25. They come in all these pretty colors. Let me know down in the comments which color is your favorite. I think I'm gonna get the blue. You can find all the Easter home decor you want here at Walmart. Of course, that is my favorite area to look at. So let me show you some of my favorites. They have these garden figurines this year, you guys. They're $4.98. Let me show you the different ones. They have a bee. They also have a dragonfly and a really cute grasshopper. Do you guys remember my dragonfly from last summer that broke? We're gonna replace it with this one. If you're wanting to dye Easter eggs but not wanting to use real eggs, they actually make these Easter dye eggs that are just faux eggs. Your kids can dye these like a regular Easter egg, or they can paint them or do all kinds of things. I wanted to show you guys how you could use these eggs. Now, you could definitely dye them traditionally, but sometimes that can be really messy. So I have another hack that you can do. So what you're gonna do is just get any disposable container that you have. You're gonna fill the container up with rice. Then you're gonna add in your favorite food coloring, whatever color you want it to be. So if you wanted to do several, you could actually have like 3 or 4 different containers with different colored dyes. Add it to your container, put in the egg, and then just shake it to dye your egg. So I think the container I used may have been a little too small because my egg wasn't moving around enough. So I'm going to put it in a larger container and shake it up. And here's what your egg looks like. I think that's pretty cool. These are chalkboard Easter eggs where you can just add chalk to them. So it's a fun, no mess decorating hack. How adorable is this bunny pillow? $8.98, so cute. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Easter. I want to show you guys a super quick, easy packaging hack, and you probably have most of these items on hand. So you're going to need a paper sack, something to tie it with, and some kind of pom-pom. You could always make it yourself, and then whatever you're going to put in your sack. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by cutting out ears in your paper sack. Place whatever item you're gifting inside. Tie it together at the base of the ear with any twine that you have. Hot glue a pom-pom on the backside for a tail. I love these decorative eggs for only $1.98. You could hang these up in your home or set them out as decor. Look how adorable this rug is. It's reversible. So this is what it looks like on the front. And here's the back. So cute. Easter is all about the treats, so pick up your favorite peeps. You're also going to need some icing and your favorite cake mix. I'm also going to get some black gel icing. This next hack is a cute bunny hack that's sure to be a crowd pleaser. You're gonna start off with your favorite cake mix, and you're just going to cook it according to the package directions. Next, you're gonna fill up your cupcake liners about 2/3 of the way full. Now to turn these cupcakes into bunnies, what you're gonna do is pull off a little bit of aluminum foil. Then you're going to just make some little balls for the aluminum foil. You're gonna put 2 of the balls on either side of the cupcakes, and then you'll put a longer one in the center. You're just trying to create those bunny ears before you bake it. I'm gonna bake these according to the package directions. Once your cupcakes cool down, you're going to put icing all over the top. And to make your icing look like fur, you just want to tap your knife on the top. Then for my ears, I'm going to use half of a peep ear and put that on either side. I'll add in an M&M for my nose, and then I'll use my black gel icing to create a face. If you love peeps, I have a fun hack for you. Have you ever considered using your peeps to make s'mores? I mean, they are marshmallows. So we're gonna make a simple microwave s'more. So I'm gonna put my graham cracker on my plate, followed by my chocolate and my marshmallow. I'll pop it in the microwave for just a few seconds, and then we'll have a peep s'more. Walmart has so many different Easter basket ideas, from the smaller plastic ones, lots of themes, but I have to show you my favorite one. Look how adorable this one is. It's got the little bunny ears. It's $8.98. You can also pick it up in the white. These baskets would be great for teens as well. These are so adorable. And look at the little shape. Let's fill up our Easter basket. We'll get a Squishmallow bath bomb, Mr. Egg backpack clips. We'll get some bubbles. We're gonna need some basket filler. We'll get a Peeps dough kit. We'll get a couple of these and one of these. We'll get a couple of these for our basket. A little bit of makeup for our Easter basket. Candy lip balm. All right, let's put the basket together. So I want it to kind of have the ears standing up. So what I'm gonna try to do is stick one of these M&M containers underneath the handle. Oh, that looks cute. Hopefully it stays. Next, I'm gonna come in with one of my basket fillers. Now, I don't put it all at the bottom because it looks good kind of at the top as well. And when you put this in, just sprinkle it in because you want it to be as fluffy as possible. After you put in your basket filler, you want to start with your bulkier items, the things that are going to fill up, and your longer ones, putting those in the back. Then from there, I just try to strategically place things so that you can see as many things as possible. And then to top it off, I'm going to add a little bit of that basket filler on the top. How adorable are these Easter kitchen towels? You get a pack of 2 for $3.96. I love this little tulip one. They also have really pretty bunnies, and then love the Easter eggs on this one. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna get the white towels. Now, a hack you can try if you don't want to put candy in all your Easter eggs, you can actually put toys or other things your kids might like. I'm gonna get these earrings and put them in my eggs. I'm gonna cut these earrings up and put them into my Easter eggs. I have the perfect hack for all of your spring and Easter florals. So you're gonna need some clear Elmer's glue. You can pick this up at Walmart, and you're going to place it at the bottom of your container. Next, I'm gonna add my stems in, and the Elmer's glue is going to look like water, but when it hardens, it's gonna hold everything in place. Have you guys checked out trendgetter.com? It's this really cool feature that Walmart has now to find things that you love and see online. For example, I had this wreath that I found and I really liked it, and I wanted to check out Walmart to see if they had it available at a more affordable price. So you can upload any picture online and see if you can find it on walmart.com, or it may even be available in the stores. Now, a hack if you want to host an indoor Easter egg hunt, or maybe you want to do it at night, you can actually pick up these egg glow sticks. They come in a pack of 24. You can put them inside of your Easter eggs and they'll make your Easter egg hunt super fun. So right before you're getting ready to do your Easter egg hunt, you just want to break these glow sticks and put them into your eggs, and they look great in dark places. I'm gonna put a link to all the products I showed you in today's video in the description box, or you can also find them at walmart.com for all your Easter needs. Don't be afraid to try that project you've always wanted to try, and remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I hope you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one.